Hey, have you heard about the big news about Medi-Cal? Do you have a loved one that might be in a skilled nursing facility receiving Medi-Cal to help pay for the cost of that considerable payment? Or are you worried about a loved one that may need to go into a skilled nursing facility because they have a diagnosis of dementia? Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but down the road there is a good chance that they're going to end up there and you want to prepare. If that's you, then this video is going to provide the answers. Hi, my name is Kevin Snyder, and I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney at Snyder Law. Our home base is in Irvine, but we're all over the state of California, and part of our mission is to help educate families about how to plan for the cost of care. And one of those areas is Medi-Cal. Medi-Cal is going to supplement the cost of the care for a skilled nursing facility. So what that means is if anyone knows are familiar with going to the hospital and having some sort of operation or surgery or procedure, and then before you're discharged home, you go to an acute care facility, that is really a skilled nursing facility. And if you've ever been there, you know that there are some people there that are there for a short period of time to rehab, and some people are there permanently because they no longer can live by themselves at home. And that's because they need continuous medical and custodial care. That is a skilled nursing facility. Some people just generally call it a nursing home. Guess what? Medi-Cal can help pay for that, but you got to qualify. And what's challenging and the big news is that as of January 1st of 2026, yes, just a few months away, California is going to drastically change the rules in regards to Medi-Cal, and a number of your loved ones who are in skilled nursing now that may be receiving skilled nursing care are not going to be getting that care that they originally were getting because they're not going to be able to afford it. They're not going to be qualified for Medi-Cal, and someone else is going to have to pay the bill for them to stay there. Who is that someone else? It's can plan ahead of time. So if you have a loved one already in skilled nursing and Medi-Cal, and they're qualified for Medi-Cal, that they're not going to get booted from Medi-Cal and having to now start bleeding down their assets. An example, a grandmother or mother is in skilled nursing. She has a home which is excluded as an asset for Medi-Cal, but she doesn't have any other assets that are much of anything. She gets Medi-Cal, and that Medi-Cal pays for her $10,000 plus of skilled nursing care. However, as of January 1st, the asset restrictions are going to change. They're going to go from no asset restrictions to asset restrictions of $130,000 per person or as low as $2,000 per person. Now the home will probably still be excluded, but if the meager savings that grandma or mom has is over those marks of $2,000 or $130,000, that's going to be a problem. She's not going to be qualified for Medi-Cal. And guess what? To pay for the cost of skilled nursing, she's going to have to sell her home and spend down that asset in order to care for her, pay for her care, unless you do something in advance of January 1st. So those are the people that we want to hear from, because we can help them now so that that doesn't happen. Despite the change in the law, we've done the work ahead of time to prepare and safe harbor those savings so that grandma or mom can still get the Medi-Cal benefit and still not have to dip into those savings and not have to sell the home. So if you want more information and want to talk specifically about your grandmother, your mom, your grandfather, your father, and any other aging relative that is in skilled nursing now, or there's a chance in the future they might be, that's a great conversation to have in a senior strategy meeting with me and my team. Again, my name is Kevin Snyder of Snyder Law, and we're here to help families with aging relatives to protect their assets, ensure they get the quality of care that they deserve, and they get to keep that moving on for the rest of their life. Look forward to hearing from you, and again, my name is Kevin Snyder. Keep being amazing.